안녕하세요. My name is Miss Moa and I'm here to teach you how to Hmong dance. Before we get started, I want to first tell you a little bit more about my traditional necklace, or in Hmong, we call it xauv. In the Hmong language, the word xauv literally translates into lock. The xauv originated about 5,000 years ago when the Hmong people used to live in China. In order for the Chinese soldiers to segregate the Hmong people from the Chinese, Hmong men and women were forced to wear a xauv. If a person was wearing a xauv, then the Chinese soldiers would know that that person is Hmong. The Hmong people went to war with China and eventually lost, so they had to flee to Southeast Asia. As Hmong people fled to Southeast Asia, they had to adapt to their new lives. With their adaptations, they also transformed the meaning behind the xauv. For example, although wearing a xauv still means that you're a Hmong, it no longer symbolizes suppression. The xauv became a beautiful piece in the Hmong outfit that symbolizes I am proud to be Hmong. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. For the first move, make sure your fingers look like this. Make sure your index fingers and your thumb are not circles, you want them to be flat. We'll be focusing on the mid-level and on the low level. This first move, I like to call it the in and out because you go in and out, in and out. You don't want to go in and then out way up high above your head. You want to go in and out right here in the mid-level. Let's do that again with counting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now let's add in our feet, the side step. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. For this next move, make sure your hands are curved. You don't want them too relaxed. You don't want them too straight up. You want them nice and curved. For this next move, I like to call it the sweep. You just sweep your hands back and forth like so. Now let's try it with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add it with our feet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add in the moves that we learned today and put them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's pretty easy, huh? Now let's add all the moves that we've learned so far. Join them all together. Remember, it's side step, windshield wiper, rainbow, basic mid, basic high, in and out, and sweep. Of course, most importantly, make sure you have your smile on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Awesome job! I'm sure you did an excellent job. Alright, make sure you click the buttons below, and I'll see you next time. Until then, Shinji Dua and Ocho.